Well, here it is, December 7th, and my lathe has arrived. There's a little ding here, this corner was up, but other than that, the crate looks like a crate. All four sides. Got the Clark label on it and everything. Ooh. Hey. So, got it out of the pickup. There's the other two boxes. That's the base and the stand. And over here, my 4-jaw chuck, plus my other goodies. So I will do little videos here and there as we unbox this stuff. Okay, I'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, on with the unboxing. There we go. Right to the job. Ooh, a lathe. There's something in here. Hammer. I know, painful, isn't it? Making you wait. 708. Zero. Toolbox. Thank you. Cute. Oh, there it is. That's pretty scooped up. Oh, logs on it, everything. And tons of packages. So, yeah. You find the bolts and unbolt it. Slide that deck out underneath it. Okay. Go. Oh, girl. Okay, well, I'll do some more and we'll get back to you. Okay, this is a little bit of a review on my fancy new Craftex CX-708 lathe that I just got. Nice little toy. So something I noticed, which is a little bit disturbing, the lathe doesn't come completely full with oil to the level it should be at. So I had to top it up. You're given the owner's manual, it's really poorly written, gives you a choice of 10 weight or 20 weight non-detergent oil. So I topped it up with some 10 weight oil to the happiness level of the sight glass. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can. There's the oil level right there. And I ran it for a while. Did this little 1 hour break in, 10 minutes at each speed. And I noticed something with the oil, that it didn't seem to coat the gears very well. The 10 weight was a little light and the 20 weight would be not much better. So I did a little modification. I put in, oh my God, the Lucas oil stabilizer. Now, the 10 weight just runs off like crazy. Whereas now, with the Lucas oil, watch the surface of the gears. I'm just going to turn this by hand. See how the oil's clinging to the gears? So I put the Lucas in concert with the 10 weight oil, and the lathe is running much quieter. There isn't the lash off the gears like there was before without the Lucas in there. So, but this lathe came to me with barely any oil in the oil sump. So thankfully I checked before I even bothered to start it up. So I added the Lucas and it runs a lot quieter now. So that's one tidbit. There'll probably be more to follow.